Hey everyone, I'm Amy from craftcuts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install vinyl lettering. Vinyl letters are an easy way to decorate any flat surface with lettering that looks hand-painted on. They are damage-free and look unique, professional, and simple. First, let's start with the materials you're going to need. The vinyl lettering, masking tape, a plastic card or squeegee, a blow dryer or heat gun, a cleaning cloth, and a level. Let's get started. First, you want to start with a clean, dry surface. Use the cleaning cloth to gently wipe your surface. You'll notice that the vinyl letters are sandwiched between two sheets. The top is the vinyl transfer tape, and the bottom is the vinyl backer. For now, keep this all intact. Use masking tape to secure the top of the transfer tape to the surface. Do a quick check to make sure it is level. Now, flip the entire sheet up and carefully peel back the vinyl backer, leaving the vinyl letters on the transfer tape. Slowly roll down the transfer tape and vinyl onto the wall. Be careful not to wrinkle the vinyl or let it stick onto itself. Use a plastic card or squeegee to apply even pressure all over the vinyl and transfer tape to ensure the vinyl adheres to the surface. Warming the letters with a heat source, like a blow dryer, helps it to stick to. Now is the moment of truth. Slowly and very carefully remove the transfer tape by folding it back onto itself and exposing each letter underneath. If you find any letters are pulling up with the transfer tape, simply roll the transfer tape back onto the surface and apply more pressure using your plastic card or squeegee. Completely remove the tape and enjoy your new lettering. If you ever need to remove your lettering, just peel the letter from the wall damage-free. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope it helps you in your installation of your vinyl lettering. As always, our customer service team is here to help you if you have any questions. Bye.